Let's dive in and unlock the full potential of your online presence first. Log into your Beehiiv account and navigate to the Website section on the left-hand menu. This is your central hub for all things website related. Click on the Edit Website button. You'll then be presented with the Beehiiv Website Builder interface, where creativity meets ease of use. At the heart of Beehiiv's Website Builder is its intuitive drag-and-drop functionality. On the right-hand side, you'll see a panel with various content blocks. These are your building blocks for your website. To add elements, simply click and drag a block, like a text block, onto your desired location on the page. You can reposition it by dragging it again. Once a block is in place, you can easily customize its content. Click on the text block to open the inline editor and start typing your content. You have full control over formatting, including bold, italics, and links. Need to add visuals? Select the image block and drag it onto your page. Clicking on the image placeholder will allow you to upload your own images or select from your media library. You can upload new images or choose from ones you've already used on your platform, ensuring brand consistency. Beyond individual blocks, you can also manage entire sections. Look for the section settings, usually represented by a gear or 3 dots, to adjust padding, background colors, and other layout options. From here, you can duplicate sections you like, delete those you don't, or even reorder sections to perfect your page flow. This ensures a cohesive and professional aesthetic across your entire website. The Typography section lets you select fonts for your headings, body text, and buttons, further personalizing your brand identity. Experiment with different font pairings to find what best represents your brand's voice. Once you're happy with your design, hit the preview button to see how your website will look to visitors. This is your chance to catch any last-minute tweaks before sharing your masterpiece with the world. When you're ready, click the Publish button, and your beautifully crafted Beehiiv website will be live and accessible to everyone. The Beehiiv Website Builder truly opens up a world of design possibilities for your online presence.